I don't have gold. Paghilom dira ba kayo?
Kana puti ba na bagay sa sulod?
Thank you so much, King of Smile. I have to get out of here. It seems someone has forgotten he is a Muslim. What?
Ba?
What? It's not like exactly what he said, so forgive him. Everyone is forgivable, yeah?
Hindi ni bagay ang puti, uy.
Guys, gusto niyo makakita ko ah? Hi, Alone. No, I'm not Muslim, but I respect every Muslims out there, so... Hello.
O, di ba? Hindot kaayo ang puti.
Are you from Dubai? Yeah, I'm in Dubai, sir. Ashraf Khan, hello. Hi, Ganem. Thanks for following me.
Dili ka ni Kwan, hindi kay open ni Kwan.
Hi, I want milk tea.
Wala siya kuan.
Go to the coffee shop. My God. Ordering from your mother. I'm from Indonesia. Apa kabar? No, guys, I'm from Philippines, okay? Ay, vitamin U. You didn't take your vitamins. You're smiling there. I'm not saying anything. You need to go drink your vitamins before you come to my life so that everyone is gonna be normal here. Hora! I don't like this. Ate, do you sell shawarma now? No, tomorrow. You cover it. What do you mean R? Why your comment is lips? You want my lips? No, man. That's why I don't want to do my life if I don't have any topic. Because I don't know what to say. I would like to order 3 shawarma spicy and 2 character. Dili lang ko sa imo ah. I don't want to sell anymore. It's too tiring. Vicky Rana, hello. Thanks for sharing the live. Hey, Ashapol, don't follow me. I didn't tell you to follow me. I didn't tell you. Take it back. Hi, Dong. Hey, Mr. Tamang. Are you okay? Ate Alpiloy. Hi to my 100 million viewers. Say hi to me. Can you follow me, Vic?